Welcome back, everybody. I hadn't vanished. I just had an extremely busy summer with my work, my paid work. The Cadillac is just for fun. And with a new baby at home and working crazy hours, I just haven't had time to work on many cars. Plus, I moved into a new location. This is my new shop. Under construction, but 95% done. It's a 20 by 30 insulated shop. I have power, workshop height, plugins all the way around the shop. It's all insulated, 3/4 inch plower, so it's great to hang things. I'm still bringing in my tools. I'll show you how much space I got. This is the 87. I got almost 4 feet to walk around it, to service it. And then still space behind the cars, a lot of space, almost 6 feet to the door. And then there's the space between the 64 and the 87. Just tons of leg rooms, tons of elbow room. No more boring my friends' places. I got my own shop now. I can build these cars, and once I get the welding 240 plug-in, I can do the welding here. It's just been a lifetime of waiting to get to this stage. But having this place is wonderful. Having a place to have workspace, not just parking space, is a dream come true for me. So my first step, after I get the tools completely pulled in and things set up, is I am going to work on the 87, which the first thing I'm going to do is the brakes, and then I'm going to work on this. These are the only rust spots in the entire car. See, there's a bubble there, and there's a much worse one here. Now, it's not from driving in the wintertime. It's from the roof leaking and moisture getting underneath and causing this to rust. Because there's a seam here, a factory seam. The tops of these cars are set on top of the pillars and welded on. And for some reason, they always rust there. So on the 82, I fixed it. Same problem. I'll fix it on this one. Get a new vinyl roof, new paint. Mechanically, the car is pretty well A1. I drove her home, as you know, 2 months ago, but I haven't touched it since because of my workload. But I'm trying to get things put back into shape so I can do that and get this car done before the snow flies. And I'm not going to get ahead of myself, but there might be some big news coming down first of the week, next week. I'll let you guys know if it falls into place. But either way, stay tuned because there's tons of Cadillacs coming up. And once the shop is fully installed and fully up and going, I'll be pumping out the Cadillacs pretty hard. So I'm going to get heat in here. It's already insulated. And just make it a perfect shop to build these cars and keep them beautiful. There's a lot more to show you, a lot more to talk about. But I wanted to touch base, let you know where I am. I haven't forgot about my channel. I just had to take care of a new baby and a lot of work. But thank you all for watching. There's a lot coming down the pipeline. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you down the road.